video is brought to you by Pranav Studios. Good morning, guys. Pranav here for PranavStudios.net and welcome to our new series, Hitfilm Basics Masterclass. In this series, we are going to show you how to make a super hit film blockbuster for your next movie. Let's begin. So this is the Hitfilm Express homepage, and in this video, I am going to show you how you could customize your workspace to make your edit more efficient in the further episodes. So you could be in the border, drag it here and there, and you could change the panels and a lot of stuff to do. So first I'm going to explain you what the panels do. So first one is the viewer, this guy over here. This is your final edit which you're going to see when you're exporting. Okay? And this is layer. A layer is the video of a clip of which you selected it. So you select a clip in your timeline and see in the layer, you will see that video only. And export. Export is a list or a panel which contains projects which you export. Okay. And trimmer. Trimmer is when you import your clip into a media panel, and you could see in the trimmer to make in and out points, which I will discuss earlier. Next is the media panel. This media panel over here is the media footages from your computer, which is here to make your blockbuster. And this is the effects library. In this is a heavenly list of a bunch of effects to make your own visual effects. And this is the history panel. In this history panel, you could make undos and redos, which is very efficient. Each and every click you make will be stored here. So not every click actually, every activity will be showing here, so that you could come back and go back everywhere you want, which is very efficient, of course. Text panel. This text panel is like a words text panel, and you type a text here and you could edit it here. That is the process of this text panel. And this is the controls panel. This controls panels and effects library have a huge friendship. This effects library, you drag it to the timeline and place it in your clips, and open the clips controls, and you could tweak the settings of the effects or your own clip here. And meters. Meters is just the audio decibels, where you could meterize your audio, you can monitor your audio. And this is editor. This editor is nothing other than the timeline where you're going to place your clips from the media panel, which is going to the trimmer and setting in and out points, bringing here to the timeline, making some edit this tools. We're going to discuss this about later, and putting a bunch of effects here and tweaking them in the controls panel. Okay. Next is this audio mixer. This mixer is used when you're editing a lot of audios. Like you'll be having a separate track for each and everything. One for the master and audio one. I didn't put any clips here, so it says audio one. If you're putting hundreds of clips of audio effects, it will be here. Sometimes you can create your own music if you want, which is pretty cool. Okay, these are all the basics of panels. So there's an extra panel hiding. I'm going to show you what. A new composite shot. As default, I'll click OK. Now this is very different from the basic timeline, which is the editor. Composite shots are best when you're editing a single clip. This composite shot, or you could create from clips, or you could create here and put clips to make. This is like almost like an After Effects, baby After Effects. I'm going to show the new panels over here. I got a window, workspace, And I'm having a bunch of workspaces. I'll discuss about this later. And I'm going to click on compositing so that it takes some time. And this is it. This is a compositing editor workspace. There's a viewer, layer, and export, which we discussed about later. Then having this effects library, lifetime is almost I don't know what is it. It's like history. And history, if you click on this button, you will move the text button, the layout of the text, and if you keep moving, that's it. And this media panel, which is and this controls panel, and this is a new panel called tracker. This tracker is for motion tracking your clips and attaching elements, which we'll be discussing later. So these are all the clips. I'm going to just show you a single editing editing a workspace. So go to normal default workspace where we start, and here I'm going to drag these panels to make my own. This is on your own. You could just do something weird. And an important note: if you want to close like audio mixer, you don't need for a specific task. So click on audio mixer, right click, there's 3 slashes. Click on this, close panel, and boom, it is gone. So if you want it back, go to Windows and you find the audio mixer, and then boom, it's back. So I'll close it, and I will do some weird stuff to make my my workspace. Yeah, my workspace. So let's close some sort of stuff. I'm just doing this to explain it, and this is from the real workspace. My real workspace, I already saved it. I'm just doing it for you. I wrote it. Place it here. Oh, and an important note is, if you click on this, any of the things, panels, and click on forward container, it will be like a dialog box. Then you can click on close to close it. You have not that efficient. You can click here and close. So that's it. I just prepared my workspace, my weird workspace. You could prepare your own workspace. It's 100% for you. On Windows workspace, save workspace, and I'm calling my workspace exactly because I'm doing a trial. And you could find it here in this heavenly list. My workspace. I'm having a lot of workspace because I like changing my workspace. If you want to delete a workspace, you could just click on delete workspace. If you want to save this current workspace, you click on this. You could click on the save workspace. If you unknowingly do some weird stuff and you have to bring back to your normal workspace, click on reset workspace, and then boom, you're back where you started. Which is pretty cool. Not cool. So that's how you make your customize and create your own workspaces. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make some basics edit in hitfilm express.